Set theory. See, set theory is formed by a mathematician, George Cantor. Okay, that is not required as an exam point of view. I just told he only explained the concept of set theory and everything. So now, set this word. See here. Normally in our daily life, we will say, that chapter is set. We set of people. We are a set. Like that we will say, right?
Yeah.
In our daily life, yeah. So, what you mean by set? As you know, it's a collection of objects, correct or not? Like, for example, me and my friends, we are a set. So, some collection of objects only what set, correct? Normally, we will say set means this only. So, mathematically, what you mean by set? That is only we are going to discuss now. So, in mathematically, a set means, okay. Before that, I will write some example before defining what is set. Okay. See, first example, the collection of first five natural numbers. Can you say what are they?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. So if I am asking that question to you or any other person who knows natural number, they will say the same answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. Another example, the collection of odd natural numbers. What are they?
1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
Or 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. Correct. The collection of first five prime numbers. First five prime numbers. What are they?
2, 3, 5, 7, 11.
2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So these are well defined, correct? This what I have written here examples, they are well defined. What do you mean by well defined? If I'm asking a question to anybody, they are saying the same answer. Okay. So now one one more example I will give. This is third one, fourth one. The collection of beautiful flowers. What are they?
Rose, jasmine.
That is according to your point of view, correct? In my point of view, maybe some another flowers. So beautiful, this word we cannot define what it is. Correct. So this collection is what it is not well defined. It is not well defined. Is it okay? Then some examples I will say. You can say it is well defined or not defined. Well, not well defined. Okay. The collection of talented actors in India.
Not well defined.
Not well defined. Why? Because if I'm asking that question to the different person, different answers will come. Correct. So that is what it is not well defined. Collection of most dangerous animals in India.
Not well defined.
Not well defined. According to me, maybe it will be monkey, dog, and all. Some another person, it will be different answer. Correct.
Yeah.
Best 11 cricket batsmen in India.
Not well defined.
Not well defined. So you understood what is well defined and what is not well defined. Okay. So now I am going to define set. Okay. Set means a set is a well defined. You know the meaning of well defined, right? Well defined collection of objects. Set should be well defined collection of objects. So from these options, which are well defined? Option 1 is well defined, 2 is well defined, 3 is well defined, fourth one
Not well defined.
not well defined. So 1, 2, 3 are sets and 4 is not a set. Correct?
Mm.
Yeah. So one example I will say, the collection of all month beginning with the letter J.
Well defined.
Well defined. What are the elements in that set?
June, July.
First, from the first month you start. Collection of all months beginning with the letter J. January,
January, June.
ah,
June, July.
June, July.
That's it.
That's it. Okay. So next, collection of all natural numbers less than 100. What are the numbers it will be?
Well defined. 1 to 3, 4,
Well defined. What are the elements in it? What are the objects in it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 100.
Up to last
100.
100 will come or not?
Repeat.
I told the collection of all natural numbers, all natural numbers less than 100. So 100 included or not?
Not included.
Not included. Correct. So up to 1, 2, etc. up to 99. If I am writing this symbol, what it means?
Lesser than equal to.
Less than or equal to. At that time 100 will be included or not?
Included.
Yes. At that time it will be included. Got it.
Mm.
Next, now you understood how can we differentiate a set and not a set. Collection of all intelligent student in your class.
Not well defined.
Not well defined. Intelligent we cannot define. Correct. Collection of good books in your class.
Not well defined.
Not well defined. So in first chapter itself, some exercise 1 itself, that only which all are well defined and which all are not well defined. Okay. Next is, now we studied about a set. Next, actually, we have to represent the set, right?
Mm.
We have to represent the set. So, how to represent a set? So, representation of a set. So,
Mm.
how we will represent a set? So, generally, we will represent set with capital letters of English alphabet. Capital letters of English alphabet. Okay, so that means A, B, C, D, any letter. Okay, so this is the representation of set. So how we will represent with the capital letters of English alphabet, A, B, C, D, like that. Okay, so we already told here a collection of all natural numbers less than or equal to 100 means the objects in it are 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 100 we told, right? So
Mm.
here the objects in a set, the objects in a set is called elements. Elements. Okay, the
Mm.
objects in the set is called
Element.
elements. Very important term. Okay, so now my question: what are the elements in this second set?
1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11.
Odd natural numbers only, right? Elements in that set.
Second.
Mm.
1, 3, 5,
Two,
7.
two. One is an element.
Mm.
3 is an element. 5 is an element. Like that we can say. So because they all are objects in that set. So every object we are calling it as elements. Okay. Now we will not say objects. Instead of that we will say elements in a set. Okay. Now how to represent element in a set? For example, A equal to set of all first, set of all non-need, first 10 natural numbers.
Inside curly brackets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah. You already know what is set, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So how to represent the first 10 natural numbers? Is there any other topic I want to take then?
Maybe.
Eh?
Okay.
If you want means I will take the another topic, not a problem.
Okay. What topic can you take other than set?
Eh?
What else can you take?
Which one? I didn't hear.
I'm asking which else topic can you take?
Uh, which topic you want actually? I'll say some topics.
Hmm.
This topic we can take. Then straight lines, you know about straight line.
Yeah.
You know.
That chapter?
Yeah, that chapter. Straight lines.
No, I've not done straight lines.
Okay. So that is one of the chapter in 11th standard.
Hmm.
Okay, straight line. Trigonometric function is there. Relations and function is there.
I've done.
Uh, like there are some chapters are there.
Okay. Straight line.
Relations and function.
Straight line will be fine.
Okay. You already know this chapter means simply I'm taking, right? Okay.
Hmm.
So straight line I will say. Straight line means what is the meaning of a line actually? Line.
Collection of points.
Hmm?
Collection of
Is
points.
which it doesn't have an end or doesn't have a starting. Correct?
Yeah.
It is not having a starting point, it is not having an ending point. So generally we will denote straight line by L, M, N, like that letters.
Hmm.
Correct. This is the definition we have studied in lower classes. L, M, N.
Hmm.
So I'm starting straight line with the topic inclination. Okay, inclination. So this chapter is very important for board also, JE also.
Hmm.
Okay, the chapter will come under conic section. It is very important chapter for both board and JE. If you study conic section alone, you can able to score better mark in JE. See, inclination. Inclination means angle only. Okay, inclination means actually what?
Angle.
Angle. What angle? See, generally we can draw x-axis and y-axis like this. Correct?
Hmm.
Okay. So if I draw a line like this, if I draw a line like this, okay, this is the line.
Hmm.
The inclination of this line is how much angle which is making with the positive direction of x-axis. What is the positive direction of x-axis? With the black I am drawing, okay?
Hmm.
This is the positive direction of x-axis. Correct?
Yeah.
So angle made with the positive direction of x-axis. We are measuring that angle by anti-clockwise direction. This is theta.
Okay.
So this is called inclination.
Okay.
Okay. So one more example I will draw. This line. What will be the inclination here?
Obtuse angle.
Yeah, obtuse angle. Very good. This will be the inclination.
Hmm.
So inclination means angle made with the
X.
positive direction of x-axis. That's it. Clear? And that
Yeah.
will be measured in anti-clockwise direction.
Hmm.
Okay, not clockwise. Clockwise means this angle will come. That is wrong.
Hmm.
Okay. So now can you say what will be the minimum inclination?
0. 0 degrees.
0 less than or equal to inclination less than what
180.
will be the max?
180.
180. 180 will come. 180 means actually the line is this one. So that is actually what is 0 only. So less than 180 you can say.
Okay.
So inclination will be always in between 0 and 180. Clear?
Clear.
Okay. Next we are going to learn slope. Okay.
Slope also.
Slope means what?
I'm saying slope also I know.
Slope also?
I know.
You know. What is slope then?
Slope is the ratio by which.
No, 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 no. You are telling minus a by b, right?
No, no, I'm telling tan theta.
Okay. Tan of what?
Tan of
Tan
theta.
of inclination.
Tan of inclination.
Yes, tan of inclination only. Slope. Correct. So how we will write tan of inclination? So we can write different ways are there to find slope. Okay. Different way are there to find the slope. Geometrically, slope means tan theta, I told, right? Here, tan of theta. So actually, tan theta means, for example, I'm drawing a figure here. This is theta. Tan of this angle only what? Slope, I told. Okay. So if I draw one perpendicular from here to here, this is 90 degree.
Yeah.
Okay. Suppose this point I'm taking x comma y. What will be this length?
X. Y.
Y. This length?
X.
No. From here only it is x.
Oh. X minus C.
Some distance will come. Correct. Now again, if I draw a small triangle here, okay, what will be this angle?
Theta.
Can you able to see the screen?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. This angle?
Same theta.
Theta. Theta. So again, I'm drawing a very small triangle here.
Theta.
What about that angle? That is also theta. So I can take this small distance as delta y, correct? And this small distance as
Delta X.
delta x. Delta y means actually the
Increment.
small distance. Delta x means small distance of y. So tan theta I can say delta y by delta x. Correct or not?
Correct.
Yes. So when this y value is very small, at that time we can define tan theta is derivative at derivative of y. Derivative we'll discuss later. Okay. So geometrically, slope means derivative only. Okay. Now different formulas are there to find out the slope of a line. Okay. So suppose one point I'm taking, this point I can take as 2 comma 1. Okay. Another point I'm taking here 2 5 4 I can take, or 5 3. Okay. So if I join these 2 points, okay, I can extend it. I will get a line segment, correct? What about its slope?
X2 minus X1 by Y2 minus Y1.
How we are getting that?
We can draw a
Here
triangle.
actually, not only remembering the formula, how the formula came, that is also very important. Okay.
Triangle.
So we will draw one triangle here, 90 degree, correct?
Yeah.
So what is inclination? Here, this is only inclination, correct?
Correct.
So this angle theta and this angle will be equal, same. Why? In 10th standard you studied. Why both are equal?
Because slope of a straight line is always constant.
No, 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 no. Why this theta and this? Actually,
You can say corresponding angle also.
corresponding angle I can say, or else
Or else corresponding only. What else?
triangle one chapter you studied in 10th standard, right?
Yeah.
Ah,
Mm,
Similarity of triangles.
similarity, yeah, similarity.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. So here, this is theta. This also become theta.
Hmm.
Okay. Now from here, tan theta actually opposite by adjacent side. Correct. What is this length?
This is y2 minus y1.
Ah, yes. This point. Can you say this point alone?
This
Two.
point 2 comma
Sorry.
3.
Sorry. 5, 1. That
Yes,
point. Yes. So what will be this distance? 3 minus 1, 2 will come. Correct.
correct.
And what about this distance?
3.
3. So tan theta equal to 2 by 3. Tan theta only what?
Hmm.
Slope. So generally if I am taking any 2 point like that means, so this is theta. Okay. Any 2 point. This point I am taking as x2, y2. Generally any 2 point in the line x1, y1. So how to find out slope of the line? We'll draw a small triangle here.
Hmm.
This point is actually x2,
Minus.
y1. So what about this distance? It will be x2 minus x1. What about this distance? Y2 minus y1. So you can say slope tan theta equal to y2 minus y1 by
X1.
x2 minus x1. Clear this concept?
Clear, clear.
Yeah. Next. Hmm. Equation of a line in different forms. Okay. See, actually, we have learned in 10th standard the general equation of a line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0.
Hmm.
Correct?
Correct.
So we have learned that ax plus by plus c equal to 0 means it is a general equation of a line. Now, I want an equation which is parallel to axis,
Which is?
parallel to axis, either x-axis or y-axis.
Okay.
So first I am taking an equation which is parallel to x-axis. Both are parallel. Okay. Can you say what about this equation?
X. eh, Y. X is equal to
Hmm.
0.
Suppose it is passing through one point, I will say
Hmm.
0, 5.
Hmm.
What will be the equation of that line?
Equation of this line is
Hmm?
y is equal to 5.
Y is equal to 5, because x can be varying here, x can be anything, but y will be a constant and y value will be always 5.
Hmm.
Correct.
Correct.
And one another equation of this line, this point you take it as 10 comma 0.
X is equal to 10.
X is equal to 10. So x equal to